Come test drive the 2015 ATS. The Cadillac ATS debuted in 2012 as an American-made compact luxury sedan. The ATS gives the driver incredible comfort and control over a nimble, hard-driving compact that directly competes with the 3 Series and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power sunroof, air conditioning, 4-wheel disc brakes, cold weather package, electronic stability control, heated front driver and passenger seats, tachometer, leather seats, front bucket seats, electronic parking brake. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.